శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 861st డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 53rd chapter. Sutta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Brihadasva Maharshi telling the story of Nala Maharaju to Dharmaraju. In that process, he is explaining about Damayanti, saying that, O Dharmaja, Damayanti, when she became young, she got so many maids and so many servants. While having all of them around her, Damayanti is glowing like Sakshat Sachi Devi. అతీవ రూపసంపన్న శ్రీరివ అయతలోచన న దేవేషు న యక్షేషు తాదృక్ రూపవతి క్వచిత్. దమయంతి ఈజ్ లుకింగ్ లైక్ సాక్షాత్ మహాలక్ష్మీ దేవి, హ్యావింగ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వైడ్ ఐస్ అండ్ హ్యావింగ్ an extraordinary beauty. We can say that such great beautiful girl, there is no such great beautiful girl in even Devatas and Yakshas also. Even in human beings, there is no such greatest beautiful girl until then. And nobody even heard about such a beautiful girl. And even Devatas, all the Yakshas, Gandharvas, they feel so happy to see Damayanti and her beautiness. On other hand, Nalascha Narasardulaha Lokeshu Apratimo Bhuvi Kandarpaiva Rupena Murtiman Abhavat Svayam. Nala Maharaju also very handsome, and he looks as if Manmadha has taken a form. So here Damayanti has been hearing great qualities about Nala Maharaju, because Damayanti's maids always used to take Nala Maharaju's name and talk great about Nala Maharaju. There around Nala Maharaju, all his servants also talk great things about Damayanti. That is how Nala Maharaju Damayanti got in love, by hearing about their qualities mutually. And slowly their love also has gone to peak levels. One day, Nala Maharaju, he could not take that, he could not bear that pain, and he by himself went to one pond, one park, and sat over there while thinking about Damayanti. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.